Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Windows update for error is showing. Then step by step follow it to solve this problem. Okay. Then go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. You will go to the search bar, search the troubleshoot settings, click to the other troubleshoots. You will see the Windows update. You will click to select it to run. Then wait for the few minutes for the you will check the pending restart. This is a detected problems. Okay. You will get wait. This is the direct problems for the finisher to this loading is finisher to you will check this error for is fixed or not fixed. You will get check after you will see this scroll option two. You will see the fix option. Then you will set it to get fixed the Windows update. Okay. Then this is a loading for okay. You will get check to fix. Okay. Then connect to the second step for get open the CMD. You will type the SFC space and slash scan now. You will first of all check the SFC scan now. After you will the command second command for you will copy to paste. Okay. I will provide these two commands for this video description. Okay, I will copy then for copy. So I will go to the search bar, search the CMD. So you will click to the run as center, click to you will post it for SFC space and slide. Yeah, and now you will click to enter. Then this is a verification for 100% process. Finish it to you will finish it to you will type the second command. Okay, the processing. Okay, then third step for change the Windows update in automatic in services. Go to click to the search bar, see the services, or you will search the services. So you will scroll down to see the Windows update, then right click to properties. You will see the startup type for automatic. You will service status for running. You will get change to click to apply, click to OK. Then finally you will click to the Windows icon. Get restart your PC or laptop. So this problem is solved. After go to you will search the update capacity. You will set the settings to click to open. See the Windows update. You will click to resume updates. Okay. Click to set it to get installed the updates. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment and thank you for watching.